chicken salad, no mayo. We've got some red beans in there. We've got some lovely spices in there. Serve that at a party or at your barbecue or something, and people are going to think you're intelligent, tall, handsome, and gorgeous. Cumin, oregano, paprika, red beans, cilantro or coriander, chicken. So it's a kind of, dare I say, Mexican-y type sort of affair, but it's a beautiful chicken salad. Lovely. Get that together. You can serve that at a party or something, or at a barbecue. Really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got some chicken breast here, no skin, no bone. Cut it into, these kind of size parts. We're going to get some salt in the mix. And I'm going to get some lemon juice in there. Just give that a little squeeze, like half a lemon, and I'll pop that in as well. I'm going to light the heat, and I'm going to bring that to the boil, and then I'm going to let it go just for about 4 minutes. Then I'll drain it off. Okay, look, our chicken is done. There you go. So there's about 3 cups in total of the cooked chicken. It's cooled down now. This is what I'm using, but you can play around with this and use whatever you want. Roughly equal parts here. So we've maybe got 3 tablespoons each of celery, onion, grated carrot, corn, cucumber, and tomato. And then I'm going to pop these spices in. We've got 1 teaspoon of oregano, paprika, and cumin. We're going to add a couple of other bits, but let's get this started. So very simply, we're just going to mix all this together. So the chicken is in there. One of the things I've not shown you is I've got some beans here, red kidney beans. You can use a different type of bean if you want. They're from a can. If you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water. And then we can start adding, like I say here, we've got some bell peppers here, some corn, bit of celery, onion, grated carrot. Anything goes, doesn't it? You can put what you want in. Cucumber, tomato, all cut really, quite small. Then we've got the paprika, the oregano, and the cumin, like a teaspoon each of those. We're going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper or 2. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Cilantro or coriander, beautiful in there. Goes with all of those flavors. And then here I've got our dressing, which is not a lot. Olive oil and lemon juice. I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to give that a mix. Back in a moment. And that's it, job done. Just serve that with some lettuce there. If you want, you could put mayonnaise on that, but I like it just with the straight lemon juice and the olive oil. A beautiful, nice, spicy. Now, if you wanted to make it more spicy, you could put some chili powder in there or some chopped chili, but for me, that's beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well. Lots of love.